going to cook cookies in the microwave today. You have to be sure that they're in evenly proportioned balls and they have to have plenty of non-stick butter on there. So we're going to go put it in the microwave. I'd say about 30 seconds. Put it in for one. And we'll stop it there. As you can see, it has become one giant massive cookie. Now we shall serve it. Alright, so our last attempt of making cookies in the microwave, they didn't come out completely done. So we're going to try this again, and I am now at Shane's house, and we're just going to see what happens. Okay, after much research on the internet and some scientific reports, turns out cooking cookies in the microwave actually has side effects of radiation on your eyes. So I am going to make sure I protect myself with these eye goggles. Cookies in the microwave.
Shane, I think we forgot about the cookies.
How long have they been in there?
I think about 2 hours.
I think we better go check.
Oh, crap!